What it, bro? What? Oh, your name's Slick.
Perfect.
I don't know what you're doing. How many bullets I got? Almost half. Okay, almost half. It's good.
Hara.
Almost empty.
No. Wait.
Bro, get away from me.
Oops. You want to keep using sniper, or or do you give up? Oh! Switch to my sniper. You know what? I quit. I got C. Yeah, C. Oh! Wait. Bro, that's like 9 is like dome. Come on, reload. Come on, use a different gun. I dare you. You gotta be kidding me. But I'm still standing. What?
Shut up. I'll load up.
You grow up. Like, what job you want to have when you grow up?
Astrophysicist.
You want to be a police again? Oh my
He wants
gosh!
to be an Asian guy.
Like work for
Bro,
inside it.
bro wants to copy Panda Express.
Bro, how do you miss that badly? You suck.
I still kill you.
Oh, you
Bro's
still
gonna
kill me,
make a
huh?
fucking
You still
restaurant
kill
called
me, huh?
Talk Shitter soon.
On the ground, talking about, oh, you still kill me, huh? Still kill me. Still kill me, huh? Still kill me, huh? Still kill me, huh? I wish I could kick people's bodies inside this game. This would be so much fun. Wait, I'm gonna go all the way down this hallway real quick. All the way down there. Oh, where you at?
This map is not small, man.
Oh, quit making excuses. Are you scared of me?
This map isn't that big, man.
I don't care. Come look for me.
No.
Like, what are you doing, bro? What is bro doing, bro? What is bro doing?
Should have a Glock 18 because that's automatic.
Okay, now I'm going back all the way down here because I don't trust you. Yo, fuck. Look behind you.
Yeah.
Man, my dad.
It's a one shot. Oh my
Yo,
gosh.
hold on. I need to make this way more better, like way more crispier and realistic. Come on, peek me, boy. Are you even using the weapon I'm using? Oh, you are. Bro, why did you switch weapons, dude?
I ran out of ammo. Sorry.
This one used to be an RPM. Yeah, this weapon. Oh, it's disabled. I gotta fix it. I don't think doing this is gonna help. Say I won't weave all of your shots right now.
Why are you always cheating, bro? Why are you cheating?
How am I cheating?
You shot at me.
Oh, I shot you, so I'm cheating. That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, what? Sorry.
That's right. You make me feel so smart and dumb at the same time. Where are you at? What the?
Ah!
Stay down where you belong. Please don't scream. I can see it. I have a second monitor. I can see you.
Okay, bro, we know you have a second monitor. Did you just get that today?
I'm just saying.
No, did you just get your second monitor today or something? Because you've been boasting about that all day long.
Because y'all like flexing on me, so why can't I not do it?
Bro's grandma's beat up old monitor.
It's not even beat up. It's actually new. At least I have one.
Bitch, at least I have a monitor too.
Yeah, you only get one. Can you see on their enemies on your right? Nope, you can't.
I got two. I got a phone and a monitor.
What is that gonna do?
Sure.
Alright, bet I'm gonna have a sniper battle. Let's hit this kid. 360 no scope. Wait, hold on.
Where'd you go?
Imagine if I actually hit that though. I wonder where did I go.
I'm dead. You should add a loadout system because I don't want to.
I
Like,
get it.
switch
You
my
keep
weapon.
saying the same loadout system. Bro, how am I missing all my shots? This kid's a hacker. Hold on, gotta reload my mag. Gotta reload my mag.
I'm out of low HP, bro.
PU.
Fall off.
I knew you were gonna fall off. Something told me you were gonna fall off. Hey, I'm gonna go all the way down the hallway. I'm gonna go all the way down the hallways, and then we can have a sniper battle from there.
You should.
Oh my gosh, I get it. I'm gonna add a loadout. Okay, just come all the way down the hallway.
Okay.
All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. What happened? Why'd you go quiet? Oh, sorry. I accidentally flinged a little bit. 360 no scope. 485. 68.
I left the game.
Shoot. Where did bro go? I see you. I see you. I see you. I'm sorry, but you suck at this game now. That's
Oh wait,
just
sorry,
not,
wait, hold on.
that's just not in his head.
All right, there you go.
Ah.